Xeikon is already known for quite a long time for offering sustainable solutions to the digital printing market. For example, the paper recycling guarantee, the use of 100% green electricity in our productions and offices. We have all our roofs full of solar panels. We are reusing the excess of heat generated during the production of toner. We are producing toner materials with very low waste, and we also are using a lot of recyclable packaging material, sending out our consumables all over the world. Also giving an engine a second life in the REX program, and we have observed a very enthusiastic participation of our employees in the river cleanup program. This is what it is today, but we are very intensively working towards new aspects in the future. But it doesn't stop there. In order to support our customers in the near future even better, we have started up the carbon footprint calculations of our different technologies. In our toner plant, we have started the recycling of developing units and also are experimenting with a callback system for our toner bottles. On top of that, we are promoting hybrid and electric cars. Besides the calling back of the toner bottles, we're also working on toner bottles based on paper materials so that they can be locally recycled. From the toner point of view, we are looking into changing a part of the resin by using recycled PET bottles as a part of the starting material without compromising any food compliancy status we have at this moment. We also have several R&D programs running to see if we can replace petroleum-based raw materials by more sustainable chemical building blocks, eventually resulting in toner that can be compostable or biodegradable. And as last part of this R&D program, we're also looking into the fact that plastic materials can be de-inked so that the polypropylene and polyethylene-based packaging materials can be perfectly recycled. Sustainability is important and is going to be even more important. We make sure we are ready for it.